everyone, welcome back to another episode of Life Above the Clouds, your guide to elevated eating with a new cannabis recipe every week. My name is Lauren Gaw, and I am already on the holiday train. This is my favorite time of year because it is all about being with friends and family and lots of laughter and joy and happiness, and of course eating, because I love food. There are so many different kinds of Christmas cookies, but this week I'm gonna start with my favorite. It is a ginger spice molasses cookie. Something about the flavor of molasses combined with all of your favorite holiday spices like cinnamon, cloves, nutmeg will make your entire house smell like the holidays. These cookies are also really great to give out as gifts because they're easy to make and they hold their shape really well so they won't crumble apart when you put them in a cookie tin. So let's start by preheating our oven to 350 degrees and lining a baking sheet with parchment paper. In a medium-sized mixing bowl, whisk together your flour, baking soda, ginger, cinnamon, cloves, nutmeg, and salt. That's a lot of ingredients to remember. You are just going to combine all the dry ingredients and whisk them together so there are no lumps. Using your electric mixer, beat together your brown sugar, your regular butter, and your cannabis butter until it's light and fluffy. Then turn the mixer to low speed and add your egg, and then add the molasses. Every once in a while, be sure to scrape the sides of your bowl with a rubber spatula to make sure that all the ingredients are mixing evenly. With the mixer still on low speed, slowly add the dry ingredients. Now scoop your dough onto your prepared cookie sheet by the tablespoon. I love using this kind of scoop because every single cookie is going to come out the exact same size every time. When you squeeze it, it also scrapes the inside of the scoop, so all the dough will come out in a nice rounded ball. Now using a flat bottom glass, gently stamp each cookie with granulated sugar. So these cookies are ready to go in the oven. We're gonna cook them for about 9 minutes. They will brown a little bit on the outside, but you want them to still be soft on the inside. This recipe makes about 3 dozen cookies, so I am using 3 tablespoons of my cannabis butter. I like to use 1 tablespoon per 12 servings, but remember when you're cooking with cannabis to always start small and wait 2 hours to see if you feel any effects before you eat any more. Our cookies are done and it smells amazing in here. So here is my perfectly finished cookie. It is sparkling with sugar on top and lightly brown around the edges. It's still soft when I pinch it a little bit, so I know it's gonna be chewy on the inside. And I cannot wait to bite into this cookie, so let's not wait anymore. I'm gonna try it. It's so soft. And the first flavors that hit me are all of those great spices. The cinnamon, the cloves, the nutmeg, the ginger, and the molasses and the brown sugar just give it this rich, dark sweetness. I hope you liked this episode of Life Above the Clouds. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and give this video a thumbs up and share it with all of your friends. Thanks again for watching. Bye guys.